Remove 4 screws. Slide the cover away from the hinges and remove it. Disconnect the battery cable. Remove 5 screws. Remove the battery. Remove 1 screw. Slide the SSD out of its slot and remove it. Disconnect the fan cable. Remove 3 screws. Lift up the fan and remove it. Remove 4 screws. Carefully detach the heatsink and remove it. Disconnect the antenna leads. Remove 1 screw. Lift up the card and remove it. Disconnect the battery. Detach and remove the battery. Disconnect the flat cable. Remove 1 screw. Remove the board. Disconnect the speaker's cable. Remove the right speaker. Release the cable from the guides. Remove the left speaker. Disconnect the cable from the main board. Peel off the tape. Remove 5 screws. Detach and remove the TouchPad. Disconnect the EDP cable. Remove 6 screws. Lift up and remove the LCD unit. Disconnect the FingerPrintReader cable. Disconnect the keyboard cable. Disconnect the DCInCable. Remove 6 screws. Lift up and remove the main board. Peel off the flat cable. Remove the bracket. Remove the fingerprint reader. Detach the connector and remove it. Detach the DCInCable and remove it. Using a flat plastic tool, pry open the 3 parts of the cover. Remove 3 screws. On the bottom right corner, lift up the tip of the piece of special tape. Slowly pull out the tape. On the bottom left corner, lift up the tip of the piece of special tape. Slowly pull out the tape. Release the EDP cable from the hinge. Lift up the bottom edge of the LCD unit, then slide it towards the hinge to disengage it and remove it. Release the wireless cables from the hinge. Remove 6 screws. Remove the hinges. Remove the aluminum foil. Disconnect the microphone cable. Disconnect the camera cable. Carefully peel off the camera and remove it. Disconnect the EDP cable. Peel off the right microphone sensors board. Peel off the left microphone board. Peel off the camera cable. Disconnect the EDP cable. disconnect the touch cable.